Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. If you enjoy writing, then this leather notebook is definitely for you. This has so many unique features. It comes in a beautiful gift box, making it the ideal gift for any of your friends or relatives. I also love how well made this is. This has a hardcover, elastic band ribbon bookmark, and it has a pen holder including a luxury pen. This is beautifully designed. I love that it has space for contact info. I appreciate the great quality of their paper, and it even includes an inner pocket where you can add all of your notes. This notebook has such a sophisticated appearance. It's very different from any others. The color of this notebook and the design, it's just stunning. You can see that everything was meticulously crafted, making it super unique. With that being said, I highly recommend this notebook, but that's just my point of view.